Ready to meet the biggest animals to ever live? Let's stack the giants side by side and see who truly rules size. First, the undisputed champ, the blue whale. Over 100 feet long, pushing 200 tons, a heart the size of a small car, a tongue heavier than an elephant. It's the largest animal known in Earth's history, bigger than any dinosaur we've found. And here's the twist. It powers that bulk by filtering clouds of tiny krill. The ocean's biggest beast runs on bite-sized snacks. Now, biggest fish? That crown goes to the whale shark. Gentle giant, up to 40 feet long, cruising warm seas, a mouth like a moving sieve. It looks like a shark built by a designer who loves polka dots and chill vibes. Deep below, the colossal squid lurks. Largest invertebrate, no bones, muscle and mantle. Massive eyes the size of dinner plates. Not as heavy as whales, but in the whoa, that's huge category. It's elite. Shift to land. The African bush elephant is today's heavyweight terrestrial champion. Towering shoulders, giant ears, a brain built for memory and maps. It can weigh as much as a truck and still tiptoe silently through scrub. But the past had some jaw-droppers. Paleoloxodon pneumaticus, an ancient elephant relative, may have been the largest land mammal ever, with estimates that dwarf even modern elephants. Imagine a walking fortress with pillars for legs. Then there's Paraceratherium, the giant rhino relative. No horn, just a skyscraper neck, a frame tall enough to window shop the treetops. One of the largest land mammals before elephants took the crown. Tallest alive? The giraffe. Up to 19 feet of elegance, a heart pumping like a high-pressure system to keep that lofty brain online. And the largest living reptile, the saltwater crocodile, armor-plated, ambush-built, in rare giants, stretching well over 20 feet. Basically, a living time machine with a bite to match. Back to the ocean for a plot twist, Parusetus colossus, an ancient whale, might have rivaled the blue whale in mass based on the bone fossils we've found. It's a contender in the heaviest ever conversation, but with limited remains, the blue whale still holds the overall title. So, who wins? If we're talking absolute size and mass, it's the blue whale, by a splashy margin. Biggest animal ever, period. Picture them lined up. The blue whale like a blue bullet train, the whale shark gliding peacefully, the colossal squid hovering in the deep, elephants and ancient titans casting shadows across the savanna, giraffes craning above it all, and a salty waiting, motionless. Different worlds, different designs. One amazing truth, life scales up in unbelievable ways. And the champion? Still the krill-powered blue whale, nature's biggest flex.